Hello students. Today in this video we are going to study about chapter 7th of civics, that is advertising. So before starting up the chapter, we will discuss about advertisements. What are advertisements? What does they provide us? Messages used to provide information on goods and services to the public are advertisements. They can be found in many places such as on televisions, in cinemas and on buses and trains. So while watching TV, we find different kinds of the advertisements in between of our favorite programs while watching movies and so on. What are the functions of advertisements? They attract and persuade consumers to buy the products or services. They inform and educate the public. What are the forms of advertisements? Advertisements can take on the form of print media, broadcast media, or electronic media. What is print media? By the name, it tells us that advertisements printed on paper or other materials are termed as print media. Example, on newspapers, on magazines, on brochures, flyers, posters, buses, trains and taxis, etc. So you can see on the right hand side different examples or the pictures are shown by which you can see that how the print media is. They captures attention using colorful pictures, photographs of celebrities and slogans. Forms of advertisements, in that the second is the broadcast media. They uses television and radio to reach large audiences. They capture attention using sound effects, pictures, animations, music, etc. Another is the electronic media. It uses electronic devices to reach audiences. Examples are SMS, MMS, internet websites, etc. They capture attention using sound effects, blinking effects, animations, video clips. Types of advertisement of electronic media are the banner advertisements, pop-up advertisements, sidebar advertisement, etc. How advertisements influence our buying decisions. Many factors influence our buying decisions. First is the peer pressure. We tend to be influenced by our friends and follow their preferences. For example, if our friend tells us that I bought pen of this brand and its flow is very good and my handwriting also improved by using this pen, then automatically we get influenced by our friend preferences and follow the same. Convenience. We buy things from nearby shops, that is convenient to us. Advertisements. We may be attracted and persuaded by advertisements to buy certain products. Another technique is the slogans and jingles. Catchy and unusual slogans and jingles are used to help consumers remember certain products. Consumers are more likely to buy products that they are familiar with. Emotional appeal. Sometimes emotional appeals are being made through the advertisements that influence our decision to buy the product. Images such as delicious food, beautiful scenery, and shocking or humorous images are used to attract people to advertisements. These images are designed to appeal to our senses and stir up a desire to have the product. Celebrity endorsements. Some products are endorsed or promoted by celebrities. Beauty products endorsed by celebrities. This makes us to be look like that famous personality So we get influenced by the product and we buy that product. Awards and certification. Awards and certifications are used to show that a product has met certain quality standards. Consumers are more likely to buy products with award labels or logos. Sponsorships. Sponsorships for events and activities can increase awareness for a company's brand and products. Sales and discounts. This is one of the very well known promotional strategy by which the consumer get attracted. During the time of the sale, discounts are being offered by which the consumer get attracted and buy the product, usually for a limited time, to create a sense of urgency is being offered by the sale so that consumer will make quick decision to buy the product. Gifts. Gifts may be offered to consumers when they buy products that add to up to a certain amount to encourage spending. This is one of the good thing to be check out, that is checking advertisements claim. Some advertisements claims may be misleading or untrue, hence we need to check those claims before buying. For example, you can see a ad is shown, fit first, lose 10 kgs in just 2 weeks. So we should check whether the advertisement is true or untrue. It is advisable to do the following before buying any advertised product or service. See beyond the appeal of the advertisement, read the fine print, research on the product and compare with its competitors. Advantages and disadvantages of the advertising. It inform and educate. Disadvantage, it misleads. Advantage, it keeps us updated. Disadvantage, it do not really do the same. It helps us save money. Disadvantage, it increases cost. So at a glance, what we have studied in this chapter, that is the functions of the advertisements, identify the different forms of advertising, media advertising techniques and promotional strategies, check the reliability of advertisement claims and list the advantages and disadvantages of the advertisement. So students, that's all for this chapter. Soon we will come back with another video for the next chapter. Thank you. Have a great day.